All right, welcome back to LearnWire. This is ChatGorilla. This is actually a really cool tool. I've been fooling around with it for about the last 20 or 30 minutes. I want to share this with you guys because this is a AI chat bot style AI writer, but it's actually unique because it's loaded with over 1,000 prompts in here from a business that has made over $12 million in sales selling software. And they've loaded all their sales pages. You can come over here and look at their sales page. They're really good at copywriting. They know how to make millions of dollars with software, and they're going to use their strategy on sales pages. It is from this guy, Neil Napier. This guy has created a lot of softwares. I'm going to go over those and why this is a good software. Okay. So this is basically the sales page. You can go click on that and, spend as much time as you want on there. But, copywriting on these landing pages and sales pages with any product, whether you're selling a course or a software or anything like that, what you put on your page matters, right? And so they're taking all their skills over the last decade of selling millions of dollars, over 12 millions of dollars, and they're actually loading that into ChatGorilla, and then they're probably using ChatGPT 3.5 in conjunction with their unique marketing prompt. So if you are a marketer and you want to write emails and you want brainstorming for new products to promote or all that kind of good stuff, then this might be the product for you. You might want to take a look at this. We'll go and check this software out. But before we do that, I want to go jump in and show you the profile. One of their products is Content Gorilla AI, and they have 90 votes. They have a 4-star rating right over here. And based on over 1,500 sales right over here. So, the vendor profile checks out. And then when we come over here and we look at some of these, this guy, has done hundreds of thousands of dollars with softwares. Look at all these different softwares right over here. And so what I did was I just randomly picked some of these softwares that have been out for years, right? And this is how you can cross-check a vendor on, Warrior Plus or JVZoo. This guy sells his software on JVZoo. He's kind of done this branding around ClickVO, MeetVO, FunnelVO, MailVO, and MemberVO, etc. And so I went and clicked on a couple of these, and they pull up. Get Coursium. You can go and this is a create profitable evergreen video courses with new hand holding style without ever creating a video. So they have this whole membership site right over here. This came out like 2 years ago. It's still up and running. And then we have MailVO. And actually, when we go in, he uses this service. This is his software. It's an email marketing service, kind of like a GetResponse or Aweber or, ConvertKit and so forth. But this is his own email marketing suite over here. And he emails you right after purchasing. So I went and purchased ChatGorilla. I just went and purchased this just now, and he emails you right away, welcomes you to the system, and he used MailVO to do the emailing. So he uses his own products. Really nice, sales pages right over here. Here's the guy right over here. Pretty cool stuff. And then we come over here. Here's ClickVO. This is groundbreaking drag and drop email builder. Lets you 4x more opens, clicks, and so it's another marketing tool that he created, and it's still live as we speak. So these tools that we're looking at over here, they're still live. So these are not your turn and burn. I know that Warrior Plus and JVZoo, sometimes have a bad rap for software, is just gone overnight after all the sales, but that's not true with this guy. Everything checks out. The ratings check out. The softwares that have been up for years are still there, and so forth. Okay. Before we go in and really test this out and see what we can really do with this, which I'm already pretty impressed with it. We're going to go and check out the, you guys always, when I do promote a Warrior Plus or JVZoo product, I know that there's one-time offers. This one's not too bad. There's only about 4 one-time offers. I know that those ones that have like 10 or more one-time offers is just super annoying to sit through those. And I really don't like sitting through those as well. A quick tip that you can do is after you After you buy the front end offer, you can just go ahead and go up to your browser and push the X button, just completely cancel out, and then go check your email and you get access to what you just purchased. So you don't have to sit there and watch all the OTOs and all the sales pages and the videos. You're going to be there for the next 30 minutes or hour, right? But I am going to mention them because there is one that's really, really good. I will say that if you purchase from my link, one of the first things that you're going to see is it's not on this funnel right over here, is that there is a quick fast pass, which means the first offer, even before this OTO ChatGorilla Pro, it's actually going to be a fast pass, and you can pay like $220 and you get lifetime access. Never have to buy credits for ChatGorilla again. And then you get everything that's included. You get all of these OTOs. So you would get all OTO 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's going to be way cheaper than if you bought them all separately. You're going to save like $100 or $200. So I'm just kind of giving you that forewarning on that. It's not necessary. But the front end offer is a 10,000 message limit. Okay. So if I come over here and I show you, we go over to settings, it's going to show over here that, I have 9,990 right over here messages. And once that is up, I'll have to buy a package from them or something like that. And, we could sit here and talk about this for a while, but I think this is really good. And here's why, is that after, as sleek as this software is put together, at some point, ChatGorilla does have to survive. And if it's going to keep the doors open, there is server and bandwidth and all kinds of stuff going on in the background that these companies can't just give away for forever lifetime deals. That's my personal opinion on this. And so they are giving a hefty amount right here for just $27. The front end offer is $27, by the way. But you have 10,000 messages. But the cool part is, if you do want to pick up the pro version, and this is the one that I would recommend getting out of all the OTOs, this is the one. It's $10 a month, or it's like $197 or something like that for a lifetime deal where you'll never have to pay again. I know you guys like lifetime deals. That $200 will secure your lifetime access where you'll never have to pay monthly. But certainly you can pick up a $10 plan or something like that anytime as well. So definitely out of the OTOs, the pro version is the one that I would pick up, because it's going to give you an additional 500 more prompts. And then most importantly, the unlimited usage. And then you also get this fork chat feature and so forth. So pretty cool. The OTO2 is the ChatGorilla team. So you can actually add team members in here and you can share chats with each other. You're going to see how it's a chat system. It's kind of like ChatGPT, but it's got baked in prompts, which is super cool. I can't wait to just kind of go into that. I'm going to jump into that in a minute. And then we have the Gorilla Press Profits, building the perfect SEO website. So this is an entire course taking you step by step for 4 weeks. They're going to show you exactly how to build a site from scratch, an AI site using their tool, and to go out and start getting traffic to your site and make a site profitable. So you're getting like a course. These OTO3 and OTO4, I don't think they're very expensive. So if you want more additional training, they might be worth picking up. OTO4 is AI copy domination, creating sales pages using AI, creating email sequences using AI, and testing and optimizing. Okay, so let's go jump in. Right here, you can see I have some different chats over here. So if you want, you can go start a new chat over here, and we would just say, tests, let's just say brainstorming for blog ideas. Maybe that's my new chat. And I'm going to go click on it, right? Brainstorming right there. There's a plus button down here that we can actually click. We can analyze a file. We're going to do that in a minute. It's really cool. It was accurate when I tried it the first time. Super cool stuff. You can request an image. Really, really cool. Like if it says /draw, a cute lion clip art, orange and blue. Let's just say that and push enter. And I like that we can push enter on our keyboard and it works. Instead of having to come over here and push this arrow button, you actually push enter on your keyboard and then it works. Okay. So it's going out there and drawing a picture for us. I do think that it is using some type of technology with, Leonardo or Dolly 3, something like that. Perhaps maybe it's Mid-Journey. There is coding on top of, people have been able to put coding on top of Mid-Journey as well. Because when you start seeing these right over here, it looks a lot like Mid-Journey. But you can see that these are really high quality. I'll show you a human in a minute as well. They're very high quality. We can say what version we want over here. And we can download as well by just clicking the download button right here. And then we come up over here to the download section and look at that image. I mean, that's really high quality, really crisp. This alone is really, really cool. So we've got that image right there. And then, so this is kind of like a chat right over here. I could say, okay, give me, 10 blog ideas for my indoor gardening site. So just push enter. And Gorilla is typing. You can see right over here, Gorilla is typing. So you can see that this is high quality, guys. This is a very exciting software. And when we look at this, so we've got the top 10 indoor plants for beginners, how to create. So you've got all of our ideas right over here. We can say, give me more, right? So a lot like ChatGPT, but right in here, we've already got baked in high quality images. We don't have to go and mess around with plugins and so forth. So this is something that if you want something simplified, because I know that using ChatGPT, there's a lot going on. And I got to be honest with you, I use it daily. I use ChatGPT, but it's been having a lot of hiccups lately where it's offline, not working for me. And then half the time when it's supposed to be doing a Bing research for me, it ends up failing. I have to regenerate, or it ends up not doing it. It's been having a hard time analyzing when I put in a YouTube channel and want it to analyze and so forth and do those live scraping things. It actually hasn't been doing as well lately for me. So there are reasons to pick up a software like this if you want something that is just working. It's got images in here. You don't have to worry about all the plugins and connections and all the techie stuff. If you just want something that just works, this might be something really cool. I'll go over some more of the features. So you can export all of your data. You can actually export everything. You can export freestyle chats. You can export your prompt chats. So this is divvied up into two sections. Here's your freestyle chats, like what I just showed you right over here. Now your prompt chats, this is what puts this on complete steroids. And I'm going to show you that. We're going to spend the rest of the video on prompt chats. You can export one or the other or all, and it will literally export everything for us. Super cool. We can also import anything that we want. We can choose a file, select a file. We can import chats as well. Okay. So you can actually export these and then send them to somebody else that has ChatGorilla, and they can upload different chats and so forth as well. Super cool stuff. You can clear your conversations right over here. Cancel. Yes, go ahead. And you can just see that the UI and the UX of this software is high quality. I like that it's natively in dark mode and you can see everything really well. It's fast so far from what I'm looking at. You can also click on help and go to their help desk right over here. And, I got to be completely honest, for, JVZoo and Warrior Plus having a bad name, when there is a good vendor selling something like this on those platforms, it's really cool, because we already all know that when we come over to Appsumo, just because it's on Appsumo does not mean that it's good software. I think that I've shown you plenty of times on this channel that we've had some really crappy softwares that is almost embarrassing before, right? We literally have seen that before. Like right over here, guys, I just wanted to search for some. So we've got all these 3-star and lower softwares over here. And then right over here, like Stealth GPT, someone created a little software here and they got 2 stars right over here, right? Like we can keep going and find, there's plenty of softwares on here that actually, get 1 or 2 stars. And so just because someone comes and launches on Appsumo doesn't mean that it's any better software than what we're looking at right now as we speak. Now, let me show you some really cool stuff. Okay. So right over here, I'm going to show you what I started off with. So I went list 3 potential niches interested in buying. This software created this, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. So it went through and it gave us some different niches that we could go after for people that are interested in niche websites and SEO and so forth, right? And then I said, give me 3 more. So it gave me e-commerce businesses, investment groups, content creators, right? So it's telling me the audience that I can go out and sell a product in. I'm going to show you how we can build this. But then I said, hey, draw a businessman working at a desk in a skyscraper in New York. I didn't specify, where, what culture or country. So it gave us some really cool ones. We've got this one right over here, and we've got this one right over here. I want to go and look at that one. So we just push download. And then it's going to go and download right over here. I don't know why there's a V3 and V4 because there's only 3 right here. So I'm not really sure. I'm going to go with just maybe click on that. It's going to search for a best match. But while it's doing that, let's go over here and look at this. Look at the high quality image right here. I mean, just look at that. It's really, really cool. It's high quality. There's nothing messed up about the fingers or anything. You can tell that they're in a big city, most likely New York. And I mean, look at the shininess on the desk and so forth. And nothing looks weird. So this has to be from one of the high quality AI images because we're seeing some really good AI images being produced. So I just said version 2, and then it created another one for us, right? So you can use those. There's also something over here where I actually don't know what this is, but you can actually do something what's called fork chat, give it a title. You can include all previous, include only selected, or include all message after selected. And you can fork this over to another chat, something like that, right? So it's like maybe a way of copying it or intersecting it into another chat. So really cool features and something that you wouldn't see baked into the software like this if it was an overnight software, okay? And then finally I said, oh, this is the really cool part. You can see where this did a really good job right over here. Okay. So what I did was I went and I pushed the plus button, and you can see you can analyze a file. So then I went over here and I click on this and I analyze a file, and it needs to be a PDF. So this is a PDF right here. I'm going to select the PDF, and then I'm going to say, which day did I make the most money in the total? Actually, I'm not even going to say in the total column. Let's just see if it figures it out, because it did earlier. So then now let me go up here into a new chat and try that again, because so I'm just going to say affiliate commissions file. So I'm going to say that we're going to create this, and then I'm going to go up here. We're going to analyze the file again, right? Because we already analyzed that file already, and I asked it the same question. So that was kind of maybe weird. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And then I'm going to say, tell me which day I made the most money. Boom. So now it's using the file. So it's saying right here that it can't do it, but then look at over here on the bottom part. Based on the data provided, it appears the most money was made on December 15th. With a total of $493. So you can see right there, and it even goes and tries to analyze the Amazon Partner Program, the Amazon Influencer Program, 78, and et cetera, et cetera. So look right over here, December 15th at $493 based on that file, and let's go and look and see if that's actually accurate. So I will go and download or just look at that PDF real quick. Right over here. And if you guys want to follow along with my building in public, you can go over to my Teach Me Money Methods channel where I'm doing a building in public series. And you can see right over here that, well, it did pretty good. $493 right there on December 15th. But actually our highest day was December 16th at $526. So it actually got the second highest day, right? So, but I don't know about you. I've used ChatGPT and some of those plugins and so forth, and it still struggles. So, and I've also used Claude as well and uploaded files and still struggled to get accuracy. So it did a pretty good job, not 100%, but that's really cool that you can analyze files and so forth. I find that analyzing spreadsheets is actually the hardest part. It actually has a hard time. But if you upload a PDF here and it's like a ton of contents, for example, right? You could actually analyze the file and then tell it to create 10 emails based off of, your company's data or something like that, right? So you could actually upload a PDF right over here. It takes PDFs, and that can just be content, right? So that you're not having to copy and paste and so forth. So really cool ways that you can use this. But now let's go over to a new prompt real quick, and then you're going to see all these different things that we can do in here. There's just so many awesome things. And what I'm going to do is we're going to go and just say, hey, we want an email right over here. So if I say email, now we go with this drop down and we select our option. So if you want a cold email, write an affiliate product email, professional sales email, we can say write subject ideas, stuff like that. There's a cart abandonment, ongoing email. So let's just say we want to write a cold email, for example, on this one. So what is your ideal customer? So I'm going to put plumbers who want more leads on their website. What are the prospects' pain points? Not enough customers, not enough leads. What are your ideal customers' desires? More leads, right? Using free traffic and SEO on the website, right? So you just fill this out, describe your product or offer. So what we can do is SEO services for plumbers, rank plumbers at the top of Google. Okay. And then what does your product solution guarantee? Page 1 rankings on Google. What kind of cold email do you want, right? So we have the problem, agitate, solution-based, attention, interest, desire, benefits-based. I've tried benefits-based earlier, which is super cool, but let's go and talk about someone's problems that they're having, right? And then start chat. Because you could go out there and this is going to be plumber cold email, right? So we're going to name our chat and now we're going to create our prompt and now watch what's happening. First message. So now it's opening up a chat bot for us that's preloaded with all the information that we need. It's using the marketing power of ChatGorilla. Remember when we go back over here to the sales page, 10 plus years of them making over $12 million with marketing, right? That's loaded into the software with all their prompting. And then on top of that, we have a custom prompt. So if you don't want to write custom prompts and you just want a nice template each time, then this is super cool because now watch, if I left click inside this box right here, left click, now watch, we've got this amazing prompt that has been created. Write an email for SEO services for plumbers. Rank plumbers at the top of Google who is struggling with not enough customers, not enough leads, and wants to more leads using free traffic and SEO on the website. Mention that my offer is SEO services for plumbers. Rank plumbers at the top of Google. The guarantee is page 1 rankings on Google, and my credentials are page 1 rankings on Google. So that credentials, we would maybe change that, and then invite them to book a call, use a friendly tone, and make the email short. So we can start off with that, and then we can make adjustments and change the tone if we wanted to. But all you have to do is just left click on that, and now it fills the box with that entire prompt. And now we push enter. And now the chat is ready to go with our custom prompt that now it's going to go out there and write this cold email for us. We'll see what the results look like. And at any time you can come over here, edit chat options, because we saw some of those. What was the guarantee? It didn't actually ask us what the our credentials are, so we can change that. But look, we can go and make adjustments right here if we want, right? I'm going to go back to chat right over here and just say, sure, go back. So now we're back over here. Subject, boost your plumbing business with guaranteed Google page 1 rankings. Now, obviously you wouldn't want to do that if you really don't, if you don't have, a 90% success rate ranking plumbers to page 1, then you might not want to go as aggressive right there, right? So obviously be honest in what you can do, but certainly we can reword this by improve your rankings today. That's all you have to do, and everyone wants to hear that, right? So dear so-and-so, you would hire a VA to go out and find out who the name of the company is, who's the contact person, and then they would go out and send kind of a template right over here. They can create custom ones in here as well. But you can see right over here, I hope this email finds you well. I understand that in the plumbing business, getting consistent leads and customers can be a major struggle. It's tough to be underseen, blah, blah, blah. Today, I want to share an excellent opportunity that can propel your business to new heights. I offer SEO services custom tailored for plumbers with a unique promise, guaranteed page 1 rankings and Google. This means that your website can receive significantly increased free traffic from the internet users searching for plumbing services, in your area or something like that, right? And then what we can do over here. So it's really cool. As my potential customer, or client, I invite you to book no obligation call with me. So yeah, you're just literally trying to book a free call to see if you can help someone. Please feel free to reply to this email or use this link to directly schedule a call. This could be your Calendly link. So I did a really good job. And then you can come in here and you can say, make this email only 125 words and push enter. So now it's going to take our email up here and we're going to make it a little bit shorter because if we look at the length of it right now, I'm going to go word counter. So we're at 212 words. Maybe it's just a little bit of a mouthful to capture someone's, to capture somebody's information. So now we've just shrunk this down to 82 words. Hello, having trouble getting enough leads or customers for your plumbing business. I provided tailored SEO services for plumbers, guaranteed page 1 Google rankings, so your business will rise above the rest. My past success, a portfolio filled with page 1 rankings. I mean, that's a great email. Jump right into like results, right? Business owners want results. They want to work with people that really can get what they, get what they're paying for, and you're not wasting their time or money, right? So let's talk about how my services can transform your business. Click here, blah, blah, blah. So it's really, really good. So, and then you can just continue to keep having that chat. And anytime you want to go back to that, right? So we come over to another chat right over here. Anytime we want to go back to the plumber and write a new one, right? This is great. Maybe we could take this same concept, and prompt only now for electricians in my local area of Albuquerque, New Mexico. And then just push enter. So now we said, take the same concept and prompt only now. We are looking at new electricians in my local area. So supercharge your local electrician business. Hi, struggling to get adequate customers for your Albuquerque-based electrician business. I offer specialized SEO services for electricians, guaranteeing blah, blah, blah. So you can see this is excited to elevate your Albuquerque electrician service. Super cool stuff, guys. Pretty impressed with this software, gotta say. I'm gonna come over here and show you a couple other things that I did in here. My customers in Make Money Online are struggling with not sure how to market themselves, and they want to get incredibly successful, brainstorm 10 ideas, product ideas that could solve their problems. So it has software ideas, things that we can do, courses I could launch to cater to that audience to help them out, right? And then finally over here, we have an email right over here, an email promoting an AI website builder that does Amazon product reviews and one-click profitable Amazon website. Describe the product in a detailed mention. These key benefits, easy to use. Anyone can do it. One-click Amazon. And then it wrote this nice email. It even broke it out right here. Here's exceptional. You can just pause the video and look at that. But look, it broke it out into bullet points right there. And then I just said, great. Now make this email concise and 100 words in length. And it did that, right? So, and then I said, great, rewrite that last one and don't include anything about supporting me or thanking them. And then boom, it wrote a nice, concise email. So this is very responsive. It pretty much does exactly what you say it does. It has the amazing image feature. And the image feature, I think, is going to cost some credits. So this would really be, if this is the tool for you, a reason to get pro so that you wouldn't have to, because I think that the images, if you're going to use this for images, that is going to be definitely use credits, right, in their system. That's definitely costing resources and so forth. You're getting high quality images right there. So again, the analyze file, the requestive image, the text right over here. You have the kind of more freestyle chats that you can create over here. You have your prompts over here. You just say new prompt something for an affiliate product right here. Then you drop down, you have all these different prompts. And then every time you click on something, it's going to take you on a journey asking you different things, right? Something for my social media. We come over here and let's just say we need something for TikTok. Select an option, write a TikTok ad script right over here. What's your service? Boom, boom, fill that out, start chat, and then it's going to do that for you. So super cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. This is definitely a winner when it comes to a JVZoo product. One of these softwares comes out, like the last time I actually was impressed and pushed a product on JVZoo was Insta Keywords, and that was back in February of 2023. So we're looking at It has been 10 months since I have seen a great product on JVZoo that I felt like sharing with you guys and wanted to push the product. This one is really, really good. Everything about it, it's fast. It's sophisticated. The prompting is really cool. This is what you're looking for when you go into ChatGPT. You don't have any prompts ready to go. This has everything from a marketing standpoint loaded. And then right over here, I just wanted to show something to improve my website right over here. They have some different options over here. Generate a list of keywords, create a content calendar, optimize your website for SEO. What's your blog post topic? Put the what's your domain URL, and then what do you want to achieve? Schema markup on audience, topic, keywords, identify the target audience, generate user-friendly URLs, relevant topics with people are searching for, structure data markup for your website. So has a sales script generator as well. This is a more SEO right there. And then something for my business right over here, a business plan, competition research, research my ideal clients' pain points, et cetera, et cetera. I don't see a true blog writer in here. It would be this one right over here, I believe. Maybe something for my website or e-com store, write a description for product, write an advertorial article, write a compelling blog post. Okay, so it does have that good. I'm glad I went over this. So write a compelling blog post. It's probably not going to create a 2,000 word blog post, but you are going to fill this out. I would estimate it's probably going to make a 500 plus article for you, but it is going to be a nice prompt right over here. So super cool. Even has a tone selector right here and so forth. So if you want to go and check this out, click the link below and you'll go to the sales page right over here. You know what to do. You can go click it. It's $27 for the front end. I do recommend the pro version if you are going to get ChatGorilla. I do think that this is a great software. Let me know in the chat what you think about the software and the demo. I'll see you in the next video.